After courting controversy over his Lok Sabha seat, senior BJP leader L.K. Advani will file his nomination from the Gandhinagar Lok Sabha seat today. In a show of unity, after much friction between the two, the BJP's prime ministerial candidate Narendra Modi will accompany Advani today. Modi will be one of those who will propose Mr. Advani's name for the Lok Sabha seat that he has been winning for the last 16 years straight. Advani had earlier wanted to shift to Bhopal but chose Gandhinagar after intervention from the RSS. Before filing his nomination papers, Advani will address a meeting of party workers in Ahmedabad. In the evening, Modi and Advani will meet local leaders and inaugurate an election office for Advani before he flies back to Delhi.
On the streets of Gandhinagar, BJP's remedy for its most prominent political fault line. If Advani has been complaining that Narendra Modi is getting bigger than all the party men, here every poll hoarding has L.K. Advani bigger and more prominent than Narendra Modi. The truce between BJP's big two is reflected best by Advani's nomination plan on Saturday. Modi still has 160 odd rallies to address before the last phase of polling is over. But he will stay in Gandhinagar all of Saturday, create Kodak moments of unity by listening to Advani address party workers, sign Advani's nomination as a proposer, attend his nomination, like he had done in 1991 when Advani chose Gandhinagar right after his Somnath Yatra.
तो 1991 के अंदर ये गुजरात की ये गांधीनगर की जो प्रतिष्ठित सीट है वो कौन लड़ेगा, ऐसी सब कार्यकर्ता के अंदर उत्सुकता थी। उसी समय भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय नेता श्री लाल कृष्ण आडवाणी जी ने यहाँ से नॉमिनेशन भरा था।
उस समय मोदी जी क्या थे?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के संगठन महामंत्री थे उस समय।
Soon Modi became mentor Advani's protege. Gujarat BJP strongman Kanshiram Rana stripped Modi of his charge. Advani restored it. Advani helped him to the chief minister's chair. Modi faced fire over Gujarat riots in 2002. Advani shielded him. Modi in turn kept Gandhinagar safe for Advani. He fielded his close aides from assembly seats in Gandhinagar. Their development work ensured credit for Advani. Advani for PM in 2009 won from this seat.
ऐसे अमित शाह का कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी भी इसमें आता है, श्री आनंदीबेन पटेल का भी क्षेत्र इसी लोकसभा क्षेत्र के अंदर आता है।
But since June last year, Modi-Advani divide has given Gujarat BJP nervous moments. Advani had resigned from the BJP over Narendra Modi, skipped crucial meetings that anointed Modi. Local BJP leaders say the trust deficit is now past, but voters stand divided.
सब मिलकर चुनाव लड़ेंगे, अडवाणी से बहुत जंगी बहुमत से जीतेंगे, वो निश्चित है।
From the famous Delhi Darwaza with Pramod Arya in Ahmedabad, Rahul Srivastav for NDTV.
And my colleague Rahul Srivastav spoke to the treasurer of the Gujarat unit of the BJP about the massive arrangements that are being made for the big show.
काका जी, किस तरह से अडवाणी जी ने गांधीनगर का चयन किया पहली बार जब चुनाव लड़ा?
91 में ऐसा तय हुआ बीजेपी पार्टी में से कि अडवाणी जी यहाँ से चुनाव लड़ेंगे, तो वही ये सीट पहले शंकर सिंह वाघेला मिले थे, तो फिर लास्ट टाइम
वो उस समय पार्टी अध्यक्ष थे।
पार्टी अध्यक्ष थे शंकर सिंह वाला। वो तो सुबह में अर्ली मॉर्निंग में अडवाणी जी आया और नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म दिया। 95 में ऐसा हुआ था कि नरेंद्र भाई के यहाँ के संगठन मंत्री थे, काशी राणा ने संगठन मंत्री से उसको मुक्त किया। कई लोग आए मिलने के लिए कि भाई नरेंद्र को चालू रखना चाहिए। अडवाणी जी इंटरव्यू किया और फिर से नरेंद्र भाई को संगठन मंत्री के स्थापित किया दिया।